Are you looking for the best car vacuums? In this video, we will look at some of the best car vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SZUK Mini Car Vacuum. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter, this vacuum ensures clean air and easy maintenance. Powerful vacuum cleaner boasting a high suction force of 985,000 pascals, effortlessly picks up dirt and debris. Features vacuuming, blowing/inflating, and exhausting capabilities for versatile use. At just 380 G, this portable vacuum cleaner is easy to handle and store. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of use on a single charge, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Number 2. SZUK 9998700 PA Car Vacuum. Equipped with a 11.1 V high-speed brushless motor, the SZUK 9998700 PA delivers powerful suction and efficient performance. Cordless and wireless design of this car vacuum cleaner ensures freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. Features vacuuming, blowing/inflating, and exhausting functions, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter, this vacuum cleaner maintains high air quality and extends filter life. At just 470 G, this handheld vacuum cleaner is easy to handle and carry, making it ideal for on-the-go cleaning. Number 3. Handheld Vacuum Cordless Car Vacuum. The upgraded cordless handheld vacuum cleaner provides 2 suction modes with powerful cyclonic suction up to 9 kilopascals to meet your different cleaning purposes. They're versatile devices that can clean anything and everything ranging from cobwebs, cabinets to car seats. Tips: if you accidentally absorb wet objects and water, it needs to be wiped dry right away to avoid damage to the motor. This mini vacuum cleaner only weighs 1.6 pounds with a sufficiently large 12-ounce dustbin. It can pretty much go anywhere you need it to and still work as you intended. Get rid of tangled cords and solve hard-to-reach problems. Its small size makes it easy for them to find their place in cabinets, garages, the laundry room, or any other suitable corner. With multiple 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries and quick charge tech, the battery life is extended by about 30+ minutes when fully charged for 3+ hours. Our fast charging technology includes lithium-ion battery surge protection to ensure safe operation. The LED light on your cordless car vacuum works well to illuminate those dark, hard-to-see places. Number 4. Mini Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless vacuum is equipped with 200 W high power motor and provide 10 kilopascal super suction, which easily clean pet hair, paper scraps, dust, crumbs, and sand etc., makes cleaning a breeze. Ergonomic design helps you reduce hand pressure and use it with less effort. The portable vacuum features 3 suction nozzles and 2 extensible tubes, which can be assembled into 2 models. Mode 1. Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, which is suitable for cleaning kitchen, sofa, keyboard, and car. Mode 2. Detachable Pusher Vacuum Cleaner, which can be moved freely to clean hard-to-reach spaces. Ideal choice for car cleaning and home. With flexible 180 degrees swivel floor brush, which is easy to clean all around the corner of furniture. Featuring a 600 ml capacity dust collection cup, transparent can monitor fill levels effortlessly, so you can clean more in one go. The washable filter helps to maintain the decent suction and efficiency of this powerful vacuum. Number 5. CENRR 9980000 PA Car Vacuum. Enjoy the convenience of a wireless vacuum cleaner that lets you clean your car without being tethered to an outlet. The CENRR 9980000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner offers powerful suction for tackling even the toughest messes. This handheld vacuum cleaner is designed for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for cleaning tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas in your car. Its compact size allows for convenient storage in your trunk or under a seat. Equipped with multiple attachments, the CENRR 9980000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner tackles a variety of cleaning tasks. From crumbs and dust to pet hair and spills, this vacuum cleaner keeps your car clean and fresh. The CENRR 9980000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner features a powerful battery that provides extended runtime, allowing you to clean your entire car without interruption. The CENRR 9980000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed for effortless cleaning. Its user-friendly controls and intuitive design make it easy to operate, even for first-time users.